Good morning, everyone. I welcome you the next session of parts of speech. I am teaching you the types of adjective, and the fourth type of adjective is adjective of number or a numerical adjective. Adjective of number or a numerical adjective. Adjective of number or a numerical adjective. Adjective nothing but it shows how many persons or things are met. What is the adjective of number? Shows how many persons or things are meant. How many persons or things are meant. Here, adjective of number is divided into three types. One is the definite adjective, definite numerical adjective, indefinite numerical adjective, distributive numerical adjective. Is it clear? So definite numerical adjective. Definite numerical adjective means it shows an exact number. Here numerical adjective, definite adjective of number shows what is that? How many persons or things are meant. Here definite numerical adjective is it shows definite numerical adjective shows exact number or in what order a person stands or in what order a thing stands. Is it clear? It shows the exact number and order. Come to the example. I have 5 mangoes. How many mangoes? 5. It's the exact number, so that this is called definite numerical adjective. If you don't know what is the exact definite numerical adjective, you must make a question with what is that? How many? Okay, how many mangoes do I have? How many mangoes? 5. 5 is called definite numerical adjective. So 5 mangoes. Now 5 is adjective. It shows exact number, so that it is called a definite numerical adjective. And next one, he sits in the second row. Here second is the number. Is it clear? So that it is called a definite numerical adjective. It doesn't show an exact number, of course number, but it shows order. What shows order? In which row? In second row. To know exact order, we must make a question with what is that? Which, not how many. Exact number we show how many. We can make a question with how many to know what is the exact number. To know in which order we should make a question with what is that? Which. Okay, in which order or in which row does he sit? Second row. Is it clear? So, another one. So this is called 5 is a definite numerical adjective, and this is called a definite numerical adjective because it shows order. Row is noun and second is adjective. Second shows an order, so that it is called a definite numerical adjective. Is it clear? There are 10 soldiers. Here 10 is called definite numerical adjective. Is it clear? The fourth name in the line is me or mine. The fourth name in the list is mine. Here fourth is called definite numerical adjective because it shows an order. Is it clear? So definite numerical adjective means it shows the exact number, it shows an order. The next type is an indefinite adjective, indefinite numerical adjective. What? Indefinite numerical adjective. Indefinite numerical adjective doesn't refer an exact number. It refers only some. It doesn't refer exact number like a definite numerical adjective. It refers some. It refers some. Here, see. All men must die. How many men? We don't know. All men. We don't know exact number. All men. All men must die. All men here. All is called what is that? Indefinite numerical adjective because now man is noun. Man is a noun. All is called adjective. It shows not exact number, so that it is called indefinite numerical adjective. Indefinite numerical adjective. Is it clear? And next one, some people visited their drowned homes. Some people visited. How many members? Some. What is that? Some. How many members? Some people. How many people? Some people visited their drowned homes. Here, some is called what is that? Indefinite numerical adjective. Indefinite numerical adjective. People. The word people is noun. Before noun, what is that? Adjective. It shows some, so that it is called what is that? Indefinite numerical adjective. And there is no person. Here no is a no shows a person. Here person is noun and no is called adjective. No is called adjective. No is called adjective. Here all, some, no are called what is that? Indefinite numerical adjective. These all shows number. All shows number. Some shows number. No also shows number. Not exact number, so that it is called indefinite numerical adjective. So along with these three, we have one more. Few, many, several. Few, many, several. Okay, those are also comes. Those are all coming to what is that? Indefinite numerical adjective list. The next one is the distributive adjective. Distributive numerical adjective. Distributive numerical adjective. It refers each one of number. It refers each one of number. Each one of number. So it refers one in many. One in many. Or one at once. One at once. Distributive numerical adjective refers each one of the number. Each one of the number. Here, come here. Each boy must take his turn. Each boy must take his turn. Each boy must take his turn. Here, how many boys are there? There may be a number of boys. We talk about here. The person talks about what is it? Each boy. Each boy must take his turn. Here, each is called adjective. Here talks about only one, so that this is called distributive adjective. Boy is noun. Before noun is called adjective. Before noun is called adjective. Each boy must take his turn. Each is called distributive numerical adjective. Distributive numerical adjective. Next one, India expects every man. A man is noun. Every is called distributive adjective. Distributive adjective, because there are many men in the India. Here, India expects everyone means each one, all of, to do his duty. Okay, here talks also one person, each person in India. Each person in India. Either pen is costly. Either pen is costly means there are two pens. There are two pens. One pen is costly, not two pens. Only one pen is costly. So either is called distributive adjective. Distributive adjective. Next one, neither accusation is true. Accusation means in Telugu ninda, blame. Neither accusation is true. Neither means no accusation is true. Here positive, here negative. Here one, here none. Neither accusation is true. Okay, all accusations are false. Is it clear? Here neither is called distributive numerical adjective. Is it clear? So definite, exact number, indefinite, not exact number, distributive, what is that, refers each one of number, each one of number. So just go back to previous lesson pronouns. Definite, definite or demonstrative pronouns means thus, this, that, those, all. And indefinite pronoun, all, only all, not men. All are attended the class. All are attended the class. Here all is called indefinite pronoun. Indefinite pronoun. Some go to temple. Some go to temple. Here some is called indefinite pronoun. Indefinite pronoun. When these three all, some, no are used without nouns, those are called indefinite pronouns. When they are used along with the nouns, they are called what is that? Indefinite adjective, indefinite numerical adjectives. The next one, same thing here. When each, every, either, neither are used without nouns, they are called what is that? Distributive adjective. Distributive adjective, like each gets a chance. Each gets a chance. Here each is called distributive pronoun, not adjective. Each boy or each girl or each person or each man, there is a noun in three words. Each man is noun, so that each is called a distributive adjective. Each girl is there, so each is called distributive adjective. Is it clear? When each, every, either, neither are used alone without nouns, they are called distributive pronouns. When they are used along with the nouns, they are called distributive adjective. Thank you very much. We will meet again